Hi, my name is Kimmy Cat, and welcome to Ratchet & Clank Full Frontal Assault. Now, somebody gave me this game, so I thought I'd give it a try. I've actually never played it. This is something my brother would play, but I haven't. It was free. I thought I'd give it a try. If I never like it, I might give it away to somebody else, but I might like it. I don't know. I mean, I've seen people play the other, like, Ratchet & Clank games. I've never actually played them, so this is something my brother would play. Rest his soul. He loved these things.
Well, the galaxy has never been so boring.
So I'm amused. I might totally suck at this. I have no idea, yo.
He lost the election.
But the characters are
3
really
months
cute.
ago. Don't you think it's time for an intervention?
I believe Captain Quark is having a difficult time adjusting to life in the private sector.
Computer, find me something to shoot.
Sorry, dude, we got none on the
Find me
radar.
something to shoot.
Lost the game, though.
Pardon me, Captain. It appears there are rogue cleaner bots in the docking bay. Would you like to...
This is so cute. Alright, so move, jump. Okay. So I go here? What am I doing? What the bloody hell am I doing? Yo. Okay, what am I supposed to do? L1? Oh shit, how do I...
Is that all you got?
What do I do? Oh.
You just can't beat the old Omni-Wrench.
Oh.
Hey, Captain, we're receiving an encrypted transmission. Please report to the bridge pronto.
Okay. Okay. Y'all, I have no clue what the hell I'm doing. Okay, hold. R2. Oh. That's pretty rad. Okay. That works, so... R2.
All passengers of the Starship Phoenix 2, please report to the bridge.
Doing over here.
Good evening, Captain. Are you ready for the longest day of your pathetic life?
A shadowy super.
It's like a little cartoon. It's so cute.
Perfect. What do you think he wants? Money? No, power. No, money and power. Oh, who cares what he wants? We finally get to shoot something.
Money and power. Woo!
Get this ship detected back this way for just oh, for crying out loud! As I was saying, I have deactivated 3 planetary defense centers in this sector.
This is so cute.
Location into total chaos. Oh,
I could actually watch this as a cartoon, y'all.
Marauders have already begun attacking. I wonder who could have called them.
Was it me?
It was me, you dolt! Only you and your team are permitted to each location. If I even smell a single Polaris defense trooper, I will deactivate every station in
I am suffering from a horrible sinus headache today, y'all. I cannot. The weather's just crazy here.
Someone you failed.
Oh.
You know what this calls for?
Don't say it.
I'll tell you
No.
what this calls for.
He's gonna say it.
The Q-Force!
What's he gonna say?
He said it.
Hail!
Okay. Alright, do I select this? What do I select? What do I do? No. Yeah, I have to select this one. Okay. Let's do this. This is really cute. Corgon Refinery. Ring quick select L2. Quick select. Okay. I'm not sure if I got that or not, but we'll try it. Okay. He's so cute. Oh, this is not good.
Q-Force base identified.
This is your G-Force base.
Your Q-Force base is powered by these generators. If they are destroyed, Q-Force will lose control of the planet.
Great! No, stop it, where am
Took
I
out
at?
one of our generators.
Pyro turrets required to defend generators.
Okay. X square. Press. Okay. Right here? No, it's pad. Really?
Weapon pods have been deployed.
Okay, well, how do I get a weapon pod? Oh. Easy, triangle. Okay, X.
The combustor is now available.
Oh, that's cool! How do you aim up? Oh. Oh, let's see. L1. Interim A.
Follow power cables to reach battlefield keynotes.
Okay. This should be fun.
Activate all keynotes to unlock the Planetary Defense Center. Reactivate Planetary Defense Center to drive back Brungarian marauders. Enemy dropship now on
Say so.
approach.
Oh boy. This is so damn adorable.
New enemies detected.
Where am I at?
Oh boy. Not a good time to run out of ammo. Nice. More ammo.
Okay.
These power cables run to the keynotes.
Oops. Well, that's kind of cool. Ah! No, that's not right. What the fuck am I doing? What the hell do I do with that? Okay, so fall. What do I do with this? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Alright, follow the cables. I'm being a dumbass. Okay. So disassemble this now that I don't need it? Why is it not dying? Is it supposed to be on my team?
I'm out! Come on, guys. We gotta unlock these weapon pods.
Okay, what are you?
Sweet! A gold bolt!
Okay. Crap. I don't understand how this works.
Oh boy. Not a good time to run out of ammo.
Never is a good time. Is there such a thing? Okay, how do I do this? What do I do?
The Pyro Blaster is now available. Enemy dropship now on approach.
Cool.
Incoming enemies on the right lane.
I found ammo.
I don't know how to get it, but... Okay.
The Q-Force base is under attack.
This one's mine. Got him. Whew, that was close.
The Q-Force base is secure. All generators are online.
Okay. So maybe it's... I don't know how they do this. I understand that's how that's supposed to work. Somebody can explain that to me later. Cool. I don't know what that's supposed to be either. Okay.
Gotta be weapon pods around here somewhere.
Oh, come on. My mistake.
Just can't beat the old Omni Wrench. I'm out!
You sure are.
Got it!
Oh,
Man.
shit. Didn't mean to do that.
You have unlocked the cryo shop. Enemy dropship now on approach.
Okay.
Incoming enemies on the left lane.
I'm way back here.
The Q-Force base is under attack.
Oh, shit. Are you kidding me? More?
Generator destroyed.
Oh my god, I have like no weapons.
He's down. These guys are brutal. You just can't beat the old Omni.
Ugh. You bastard.
Generator destroyed. The Q-Force base is secure. 4 generators operational.
Oh. Jesus.
Pyro turret acquired.
Okay. I have to stop here soon. I gotta figure out how to stop. How do I stop? Can you just... Like, I think it's really interesting. So, I don't know. I kind of like it. Just gotta get used to, like, the ammo and do better on that. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's cute. I think it's kind of fun. I have to play it a few times to really get an idea of it. But yeah, that's pretty cool. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up for me. And if you're not part of the Kitty Cat crew, then hit that subscribe button down below. And I guess I'll see all y'all in the next video. Alright, Kimmy out. Bye, y'all!